Happy July 9th, Wednesday, hump day. It is 9:29 a.m. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show, morning edition. What do you know? Welcome in. We're going to be trading the futures market live with you today using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. 300 bucks for the next four people that sign up. For the first 2 weeks, you'll get access to all the standard algorithms plus the new algorithm called Outlaw, all for 300 bucks for the first 2 weeks, and then it's 1,000 bucks a month to keep the standard algorithms, 1,500 a month to keep all the algorithms, premium and the standard. And here we go, 1 minute away from the market open. Let's get ready to rumble. We're going to be watching the standard algorithms. We're going to be watching the premium algorithms. Any algorithm that I have running, we're going to be watching it together here. This is going off the charts. We need to zoom that back down here. Bring NQ back into the screen here. I will be switching over as soon as something gets into a trade. We also offer a digital mentorship. If you want to learn how to manually trade, Lauren does offer this digital mentorship program. It's a learn at your own pace. You get access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the proprietary chop zone, and some other key levels and indicators that nobody else has access to. $22,999, 23,000 now, back above the 23,000 level. Is it going to pull back? We shall see. Making higher and higher. Let's keep running it up here. go. Keep popping up. Keep popping up. Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up. Big spike here. Let's go. There we go. Got about 5 points on the pullback. Bought in at 23,020 when it broke on a lower time frame chart. Just playing the momentum, see if it would fill a gap or a level. Running way too far away right now from the student play. I don't know if we're going to get a pullback, but that's okay. This thing could just keep running all the way up to 23,060. Nothing in a trade as of right now. Let's see, 6304. It's an ES alert here, given out by Lauren, the CEO and extraordinaire. She gives out the ES alerts in the group. I do the NQ for right now, but this is just skyrocketing up here. Not a pullback at all since the open. Just this 15-minute candle on NQ has gone straight up from 22,977 all the way up to 44, sorry. We'll see if NQ can break on through this 23,059 resistance 2. No algorithms in a trade right now, just this ES manual alert. Let's go over to Santa. Santa's in a trade here. Santa's in a short right now. Let's look at him. See if this is going to continue the pullback or not. Santa does take a lot of trades. You got to use them very carefully. You don't want to let them run all the time, all day, without watching them. You just got to use them as a scalping tool. All right. He is out of that trade. Let's go to NQ prop. 23,004. NQ prop has a long position set to buy. We'll see if it comes true. Nothing else right now in a trade. Except Santa, there it is again, trying to short again. Straight up now, tell me, do you really want to love me forever? Oh, oh, oh. Thank you guys for tuning in, for being here. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend. And watch the algorithm each and every day. Follow me on the main BoldBot YouTube page here by doing that. Also follow Jen, follow Ben, and follow Lauren on TikTok. BoldBot_Ben, BoldBot_Jen, BoldBot Live for Lauren. She has multiple accounts, so make sure you follow all of them just in case. They do go live for you 3 or 4 times a day, each and every day, Monday through Friday, starting out at 8:30 a.m. with Ben, I believe. Break on through to the other side. (9:45 a.m. on this hump day, July 9th. Thank you guys for tuning in and being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. It is $300 for the next 4 people that sign up. You get 2 weeks of the standard algorithms plus 2 weeks of the new algorithm Outlaw, which has made $1,600 today already. That is one of the premium algorithms that you're going to get for free, included in the 2-week trial for $300. All you have to do is email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let them know you saw it on the Swag Show. You want to get signed up. We also have the premium alerts, the digital mentorship. So, whatever you want to get into, if you can sit there and manual trade each and every day, I suggest taking the digital mentorship. It is a life changer. It's very easy to follow along. It's self paced learning. You get access to the videos. You submit your homework. You get access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the proprietary chop zone, the student play of the day, all types of goodies when you sign up for the digital mentorship. A lot of good people in the group, a lot of like minded individuals that just want to do better for themselves and their families. So come make a couple $100 extra a day. And then, if you want to go to your normal job, by all means, don't quit your day job until you're successfully doing this for over a year and you're profitable each and every year. I mean, if you could just swag, stop when you're at your goal each day, there's no reason why you can't make 100 to $200 a day. Be done. Nothing else going on right now. Kind of a slow day. Algorithms waiting on silver to see if it's going to jump into a trade. YM is pretty far away. Gold is in the range, maybe. Might be taking a trade soon. No on NQ AM and no on NQ later today. So we will not be trading those strategies, but silver could pop off. Maybe gold. So we'll keep an eye on those. I didn't put a gold or a YM chart up. I need to do that. I need to write myself a note and do that. YM and gold. I need to make a chart so I could show you guys just in case that does take a trade. don't know if there's news today or something, or the tariff stuff. If there's something when that happens, I need to look into that. See. I don't see anything saying when they're going to be live or when the news is coming out, so we'll just have to keep an eye out for that. Here's Santa again. Santa in a short note. Might get a little pullback here. Could be a fake out. Thank you. Visuals in a short as well. Let's look at that. Kind of going flat here on a smaller time frame. Either that or it's pencil mountaining up and over. We shall see. It is coming up on the 10 o'clock hour, so we'll figure out. right now. Just watching NQ Visual Short. It is one of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Here's the email on the screen. Also, Apex has extended their sale. Get 80% off any Apex account. Use the code SWAGSHOW right here. And if you want to Tradeify, Straight to Funded, or any of the Tradeify accounts, here's the link to get over to my affiliate code for Tradeify. And if you're looking for a trade copier, I suggest Flowbots, or Replicanto is the actual product. Flowbots is the company. There's a link and a code right there on the screen as well. For 4 minutes now until 10 o'clock. Still waiting on something to pop off other than Santa or Visual, but we'll watch this Visual Short right now. It is green, $115. We'll see if this can continue down. See if silver's gonna get into a trade here. Maybe, possibly. It's gold. No, gold's way up there. YM, no, YM's up there. So maybe a silver trade. As far as the alerts on NQ, it's right now kind of hard to say. How far down does this want to come? And then at 10 o'clock, is this just going to reverse into a pencil top and pull all the way back down? That's what I'm afraid of. So I don't like giving it so close to the 10 o'clock candle open on a 15-minute chart. I want to really see if this is going to form what sometimes looks like a pencil top, which is like straight up and then an angle and then an angle and then straight down. You know what I mean? Or it's just three candles. It's one straight up and then it angles and then it looks like this. And, you know, it's like a pencil top in my eyes. You know, maybe I'm wrong, but we got 1 minute to find out and see if this is going to continue down and a big pullback happen, or what's going to go on, or when this tariff news is going to kick in. We got NQAM in a trade, even though it's a no for today. It is in a long. Visual short is in a short. NQAM is in a long. Green 210. And there it just broke through. There's the 10 o'clock candle open. $350 winner on NQAM. Even though it's a no play on Wednesday, it did take a win right there. So 10 o'clock candle opens with a big burst of energy above 23,100. Will this market just continue to move on up? It looks like it is. Will this market move up? We hope so. Let's find out together, shall we? We need it to go up to 23,120. That would be lovely. If it got up there above 23,120. Blast it on up here. Blast it on up. There's a little bit. Somebody blasted it a little bit. Just keep going now. All the way up to 20. $23,100. This needs to hold and stay above it. Might be running out of juice here. Needs to go back up here. Pump it up. Pump up the jam. Pump it up a little louder. Do, do, do. We needed to go back up, chat. We needed to go back up big time here. Need a 20-point run here. Nothing else in a trade right now. I think Santa might be in a trade here. We'll look at Santa. Santa's in a short. We want him to get stopped out. We want it to go all the way back up to 23,120. $23,120 would save our butts. Push, 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 push back up, push back up. Push back up. Push back up. Push back up, push back up. We're just waiting on algorithms. This is BoldBot. It is a fully automated trading algorithm. We are waiting on one of the algorithms to kick in. And we are manually waiting on the premium alert to kick in as well. Okay, we are in the long. Let's go up now. Let's go up now. We needed to go up 20 points. We needed to run all the way up here, chat. We needed to go, 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 go. Needed to run up, run up, run up. Run up, run up. All right, trail hit. Need to break back above 23,100. Come on, chat. We can do it. Push, push, push. Push us all the way up above 23,100. 105, 110, 115 would be lovely if we can get there. Let's go. I believe in you. You can do it. Bye, bye, bye. I mean, you're not going to see this till later, but if we need this to get up here, nothing in a trade other than my premium, or sorry, my manual alert. Come on. Come on, baby. You could do it. Get us home. Get us back home. Get us back home. Push us up here. Not any algorithms in a trade right now. Santa's in a trade. Let's watch Santa. See what he's in. Santa's in a short. We want him to lose. We want Santa to lose here. That would be a good sign for our manual trade that I'm in. Come on. Just keep going up. Go up. I don't know what is stalling for. 10-15 candle now. Hopefully this does not turn red. It just continues up. Otherwise we might have to stop this trade out. Still looks like it should be going up though. This is still an upward pattern. Hopefully this is the bottom of the dip. Holy cow, that's way too far. We want Santa stopped out. We really do. We want Santa to lose here. We want this to go all the way up to 23,120 and we'd be happy. Santa's in a short. We want Santa to lose. We don't want Santa to win right now. Be wrong, Santa. Be wrong. Nothing in the trade except this Santa trade, which we don't like. We want it to go up. We don't want it to go down anymore. Because I'm in a manual trade. I'm in long based on everything I've learned and the levels. Maybe it was way too high up here that I shouldn't have gone long. Sometimes a quick scalp can turn into a disaster. Hopefully it can recover there. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. $300 for the first 2 weeks of the standard algorithms. $1,000 a month after that. You do get Outlaw. For those 2 weeks, the new premium algorithm. Oh, we're just hoping on a miracle here, chat. We're hoping on a miracle. We're waiting on this to reverse here. And go back up. I don't like that it keeps getting in the shorts, though. Hopefully this is the bottom of that pullback. Magic line, hold us one time. Shoot back up to the stars. Shoot back up to the stars, chat. We need it to go back up 30 points now. All right, we had our down movement. Now let's move it back up here. Let's move it back up. It's not looking like it wants to move back up. Just being patient now. Santa can lose, and I don't care, because he's going the wrong direction. This market's going up. This is just a pullback. He's trying to scalp it, get his few $100, and that's fine. But in the long run, we need it to go back up. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Because my time with you guys is almost done for the day. We did give out the premium alert. It did hit 13 points, and then the trail hit. We did have NQ AM win. NQ prop is 2 for 2 for 400. There you go, Santa. Now you're in the right direction. Now go up. Now we want you to win. Now we want you to go up. All right, folks. I'm going to call it for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with me. Until then, peace out.